Welcome to the Interior Design Techniques in Archicad training. Throughout this training, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of the key concepts involved in the interior design workflow using Archicad. You will also learn various techniques and methods to enhance your efficiency in creating and developing your interior design plans. During this training, we will cover the entire workflow from the planning and development stages to the final presentation of your project. You will learn effective Archicad techniques that will help you communicate your design ideas clearly. This includes arranging schematic interior layouts, creating elements using a variety of tools, and producing visually engaging drawings that effectively highlight your design plans. By mastering these tools and techniques, you will be able to support your design creations and produce the compositions of your choice with confidence. By the end of the course, you will have a solid understanding of the interior design workflow in Archicad, utilizing multiple tools and functionalities. You will be able to apply these skills to create your own design plans from scratch and communicate your ideas effectively to clients. Let's get started with interior design in Archicad and elevate your skills to the next level.